Welcome to the Conservation Efforts Database Single Record Data Entry Tutorial, Step 2, Location Information for Efforts on Public Lands. Data entry on private lands is documented in a separate tutorial. If the activity type you selected in Step 1 requires explicit or aggregated spatial data, you will be directed to the CED footprinter. If spatial data is not required, you will bypass the footprinter and advance directly to Step 2, Location Information. In the CED footprinter, effort boundaries are represented using polygons, which can be drawn or uploaded as shapefiles. Use the drop-down menu at screen right to change the base map layer. I am selecting Imagery. To orient yourself further in the CED, you can toggle on and off the module-dependent Sagebrush or Population Reporting Unit Index base map, along with previously approved CED polygons, lines, and points. To zoom into your area of interest on the map, use the Zoom In and Zoom Out buttons, your mouse wheel, or hold the Shift key and left-click and hold to draw a box. Left-click, hold, and drag the map to make smaller adjustments to the screen extent. To draw your treatment boundary, click Start Drawing on the Editing toolbar, or if your cursor already says Click to Start Drawing, click to begin placing vertices. Double-click to complete your polygon. A read-only attribute window pops up and displays the project ID with an option to delete the polygon if you need to start over. To adjust your polygon, use the Editing toolbar. Deselect your polygon by left-clicking on the map or click the eraser icon to clear selection. Click the New Selection arrow icon, then click and drag an area overlapping your polygon to reselect it. To display the attribute window again, click the Notepad Attributes icon. To split a polygon but retain both segments, select Cut, click outside of the polygon, continue clicking to define the new polygon boundary, and double-click outside the polygon to complete the action. Select both polygons and use the Union tool to merge them back into one polygon. To redraw an existing polygon's boundary, select the Reshape tool, click outside of the polygon, then click to create the new boundary within the existing polygon, and double-click outside the polygon to complete the reshape action. Use the Undo and Redo buttons to undo or redo the previous action. To delete a polygon, select it and then click the red X icon. If you elect to upload a shapefile of your treatment boundary rather than drawing it, make sure it is in a zipped folder and click the Choose File button under the Add Zipped Up Shapefile heading. Navigate to your zipped shapefile in the File Explorer. Mine is called cutthroat.zip. Click Open and the footprinter loads the shapefile and zooms to the polygon that was just uploaded with the same read-only attributes as our drawn polygon displayed in the pop-up window. If desired, you can use the footprinter's editing toolbar to adjust the polygon. When you are satisfied with your polygon, click the Save and Go to the Next Step button. A pop-up window will indicate that your spatial edits processed successfully. Click Accept Edits and Continue to advance to Step 2, Location Information. A locator map displays your polygon input in Step 2, Location Information. Use the Edit Spatial Data button at any time to return to the footprinter to edit or update the polygon boundary. The state and county fields pre-populate based on your footprinter input for spatial efforts. Mine displays Douglas County, Nevada, or are manually selected for non-spatial efforts. Review the state and county fields for accuracy, and click the checkboxes to select collaborators and indicate land ownership or managing agencies where your effort is planned or implemented. At this step, navigation buttons have appeared at screen top and bottom. Use the Review Entry button at any time to review the information entered so far in Step 5, Review/Error Check, or the Save and Exit button to save your progress and resume editing later. Click the Go to Step 3 button to advance to Step 3, Activity Information.